So guys, welcome back. Hope you are all feeling amazing today. We are building a total legend, the Honda CB1300. Just look at that candy red frame, that is a straight fire. Let's see how this beast comes to life. Okay, look at this. The marriage moment. Watching that massive black engine slide perfectly into the red frame and those gold covers. Man, that contrast is absolute perfection. So satisfying. I know what you're waiting for, the gold rims. Honestly, putting gold wheels on a red frame was the best move Honda ever made. It makes the bike look so aggressive and premium, just beautiful.
Movement secured.
Verified. Ready for casing.
Check out that paint job. That pearl white is so deep it looks like liquid glass. And sticking on that 3D wing badge, that's the seal of quality right there. It means this beast is ready for the road. And there she is. If watching this legend being built made your day a little better, smash that like button for me. Stay safe, guys, and I'll catch you in the next